Hey Northwest, I'm Kari and this is your Northwest Minute. The Northwest Rankin Thespians showed out this weekend at the Mississippi Theater Association State Festival. 50 students from the Rose Company and the Global Company traveled to Meridian to take part in the Mississippi Theater State Championships. 15 juniors and seniors participated in college auditions and received many callbacks. And many other students competed in individual events and received top 3 placings in those events. Overall, the group received the Dominic Canetto Award for Best Production, which means the NWR Thespians are the Mississippi State Theater Champions and will advance to Southeastern Theater Conference in Baltimore in March. Chloe Mamrell and Zion Simpson received All-Star Cast, and Noah Davidson earned the award for Outstanding Performance in Supporting Role. The entire Velveteen Rabbit Company received the award for Outstanding Ensemble. Congratulations! Yearbooks are now $70. Remember, you can only purchase books online at www.yearbookorder.com using the code 14408. The Interact Club will have its first meeting this semester next Thursday, January 30th, in Ms. Cockrell's room. Finally, we want to send a big good luck to the bowling team as they compete at the MHSAA Regionals at Fannin Lanes tomorrow. The boys team is undefeated and chasing second straight state championship, and the girls look to get back in the state match again. If you see any of these students today, wish them luck. The Northwest Minute is news for the student, by the student. I'm Kari, and thanks for watching.